Hello everybody, my name is Valon Maddox and I want to welcome you to the Income Rocket presentation. Now before we get started, I want to go over my disclaimer real quick. All information shared today is for illustration purposes only. We are not financial advisors and all results can vary. We do not make any guarantees or promises of any kind that you will make money, so please do your own due diligence. So what is the Income Rocket? The Income Rocket is a marketing and advertising platform where you can come in and market and promote whatever products or services that you're doing. How does the Income Rocket work? Well, all advertisers will receive an invite to this community from a current member. You will then register and create a username and password to join our amazing community. Now, there are currently 6 levels in the Income Rocket, and the payout is 100% on all levels. All levels are 100% fully automated as well. So level 1 is $10 to join. Level 2 is $30 to join. Level 3 is $120 to join. $500 to join level 4. $2,000 to join level 5, and $10,000 to join level 6. Now, what are the membership benefits of joining Income Rocket? Well, for starters, you'll only pay a one-time membership fee of $12. This is going to include a single premium NFT. There's also no recruitment required and no need to get 2 who gets 2. Now, you can purchase as many tickets as you want, but if you're a person that doesn't like to recruit, you can also duplicate yourself by purchasing multiple positions. And you can purchase tickets in increments of 1, 5, 10, 15, and 20, all in a single transaction, which will give you multiple positions in our matrix. Now, with every ticket purchase, you will also be included in our NFT giveaway via our 2x3 Infinity Matrix. You'll also have a lifetime access to our ad network services to market your products and services to our large audience. So let's get into how the boards work and how each level works. So level 1 is our $10 board. Like I said, initially it's a $12 membership fee. So $10 will go to place you on level 1, which is the $10 board, and there is a $2 administration fee. Okay. Now, let's say this is you. 2 people will fall up under you. This could be 2 people that you personally referred, or 2 people that you don't even know, because this is a company force matrix. Okay, so you're just going to get people that land up under you, and those 2 people are going to get 2 people up under them, and those people are going to get 2 people up under them. All right. And now this last level is called your pay line. Okay. And this is how you get paid. So on level 1, the total payout is $80 minus $30 for advancement to level 2. And also they're going to take out $10 for an automatic re-entry back into level 1, board 1, so that you can continue to cycle through level 1, right? And you'll have a new entry so that you can cycle throughout the matrix. Okay. Now, once everything is taken out, the $30 to advance you to level 2 automatically, and the $10 to automatically re-enter you back into level 1, then you will have a total profit of $40 in your wallet that you can withdraw. Now, level 2 works the same way as level 1. So when you completely cycle level 2, $10 is going to go to your sponsor, and the total payout is $240 on this level, minus $120 for advancement to level 3, which is automatically done because the whole system is automatic, right? It's fully automated. And you will get to keep $110 in your wallet that you can withdraw. Level 3 is $120. Once you complete this level, $20 is going to go to your sponsor. The total payout for this level is $960 minus $500 for advancement to level 4. You will then have a total profit of $400 left in your wallet that you can use to purchase more tickets and also that you can withdraw. It's up to you. Level 4 is our $500 board. Once you completely cycle this level, $50 is going to go to your sponsor for referring you to our amazing community. The total payout for this level is $4,000 minus $2,000 for advancement to level 5. You will then have a total profit of $1,950 in your wallet that you can use to purchase more tickets, or you can withdraw, or both if you choose. Level 5 is our $2,000 board. Once you complete this level, $100 is going to go to your sponsor. The total payout for this level is $16,000 minus $10,000 for advancement to level 6. Once you complete this board, you will have a total profit of $5,900 in your wallet. Now, level 6 is our last and final level. Currently, there's no upgrade after this. So when people start to fall on your pay line in level 6, you can keep all the funds on your pay line, okay? So the total payout is $80,000, and you will get to keep $80,000 in your wallet, okay? And also on level 6, you can start withdrawing $10,000 as soon as people start to hit your pay line, okay? So everybody's going to pay you $10,000, and you can withdraw $10,000 every time someone hits your pay line. And I forgot to mention this on the previous levels, but once the funds are taken out to upgrade you to the next level, you can go ahead and start withdrawing. You don't have to wait until your pay line is completely full, okay? Now let's talk about our sponsor bonus for a second. Now, if you can remember, I said there's no recruiting required in Income Rocket. So if you're someone that doesn't like to recruit, you can simply purchase multiple positions if it's within your budget, and you can simply duplicate yourself by having multiple positions within the matrix. But for those of us who like to share this opportunity, because I think Income Rocket is absolutely amazing, it's very beneficial and very lucrative for you to share this opportunity with others. So when the people that you invite come in and they cycle level 2, you will get a $10 sponsor bonus for each cycle and each of their positions that cycle. Level 3, you will get a $20 sponsor bonus for each position that cycles under you, that you personally referred to the company. Level 4, you get a $50 sponsor bonus for each cycle. Level 5, you will get a $100 sponsor bonus for each cycle. Now, how exciting is that? You'll also earn $1 for all personal referrals, which really, really adds up. So let's talk about how powerful the sponsor bonus is. So let's say, for example, that you just referred 50 personal members and they each got 10 positions apiece. That's going to total 500 positions, and that's going to equal $500 in sponsor bonuses. Now let's say all of those 500 spots cycled level 2, you're going to get paid $5,000 in sponsor bonuses. And if all those spots cycle level 3, you'll get paid a $10,000 sponsor bonus. If they all cycle level 4, you'll get paid a $25,000 sponsor bonus. And if they all cycle level 5, you'll get paid a $50,000 sponsor bonus. So picture this. Let's say if you came in and you personally purchase 5 tickets, right, which is a total value of $60, and all of those 5 tickets completed level 6, you would have earned a total of $434,400. Or let's say you come in and you wanted to purchase 10 tickets, which is a value of $120. Once all of those tickets complete level 6, you would have earned a total of $868,000, $868,800. Let's say if you purchased 20 tickets and they completed all levels, you would have earned a total of $1,737,600. And guys, you guys can read the rest. And let's say if you purchase 100 tickets, which is a value of $1,200, once all of those 100 tickets and all of those 100 positions completed level 6 in the matrix, you would have earned a whopping $8,688,000 from being in this amazing opportunity. And now also, when you guys come in and you get ready to purchase your tickets, you can purchase them by paying in Bitcoin, USDT, and Tron. Now, once one of your positions complete the entire matrix, all 6 levels, you would have earned a total of $85,000. And when one of your positions completes levels 1 through 5, you would have earned a total of $8,620. Now, another thing that we're focused on at the Income Rocket is providing ad space to NFT developers. Now, this is going to benefit both the NFT developers and the community, because that is going to help to drive more traffic to our community and to our platform. Now, also, the NFT developers will have NFTs that you can purchase in your back office, and you can actually take those NFTs and resell them if you wish to do that. Now, we will also have something rolling out really soon called Rocket Traffic. Rocket Traffic is going to be available to our premium users for $25 a month, and that's going to add their Income Rocket link to a Rotator to get more views to their website, which in turn could get them more signups to Income Rocket. Okay. Now, we don't make any guarantees that you will get signups because you're in the Rotator link, but it does give you more exposure, and you could possibly get more signups because you are actually in this Rotator link. And also, if you have other businesses such as Mary Kay, Herbalife, Amway, whatever you could be doing, you can promote those businesses as well as an add-on service. So that's going to be in addition to the $25 a month if you decide to come in and use our Premier Rocket Traffic. And I just want to add, guys, we are all a community. We're here to help one another. And once we cycle these levels, we're going to purchase more tickets, and what that's going to do is help push the whole community forward. Okay, so we want everyone to win in this community, and we do that by helping one another and looking out for one another. And so it definitely benefits the whole community when we do purchase more tickets, and it benefits you as well. So it's a win-win situation. Now what I'm going to do is show you all how to go in your back office after you sign up and purchase your ticket so you can join the Income Rocket. Okay, guys, thank you all for staying with me. Now I'm going to show you how to deposit the funds into your Income Rocket back office so that you can go ahead and purchase as many tickets as you want and join as many levels as you want. So the first thing you want to do is come over here to where it says deposit, and you want to click on deposit amount. Then you want to wait for this screen to come up. Now, let's say, for example, you want to purchase 5 tickets. 5 tickets cost $60, so you just want to type in 60. Then you want to choose how you want to deposit your funds to your Income Rocket back office. I typically use Bitcoin but you can choose USDT, TRC20, Bitcoin, or Tron. I'm going to choose Bitcoin. Then you just wait for this information at the bottom to populate. Then you want to copy your wallet address, and then you want to write down this number because this is the exact amount that you want to send to Income Rocket. After that, you want to go to whatever platform that you use to purchase your crypto, whether it be Cash App, Coinbase, Trust Wallet, whatever you use to purchase your crypto. Go there. Make sure it's on the correct cryptocurrency. Paste that address into your to section, and then type this number in the amount section, okay? And then you send it. But just make sure you have enough funds in there to cover any fees, okay? And guys, if any of you are new to crypto, make sure you send me a text message along with your email address, and I will email you a short video to show you how to purchase your crypto, your Bitcoin, with Cash App so that you can deposit funds in your Income Rocket back office. It's so simple. It's nothing complicated at all, so don't even worry. I got you, okay? So after you have made your deposit and sent your crypto from whatever platform, whether it be Coinbase, Cash App, wherever, you can come over here and click on deposit and click on history to check the status of your deposit. Now, if it still says waiting, that means it's waiting to be transferred, or it's in the process of sending still. If it says finished, that means that the transfer has been complete and the funds are now in your back office. So what you can do is click on dashboard, and then you will see the funds right here where it says wallet statistics. Then you can go ahead and purchase your tickets and join your levels. So to do that, you're going to click on join and upgrade. Then you're going to click on join level. And everybody has to start out on level 1. So to purchase your tickets on level 1, you just click on join this level, and you can purchase as many tickets on level 1 as you want. In my example, I use $60. I can use that $60 to purchase 5 tickets on level 1. Okay. And you can also purchase additional positions on other levels as well. You have to join level 1 first, but once you join level 1, you can purchase tickets on level 2. Once you join level 2, you can purchase tickets on level 3, and so on and so forth. But you just cannot skip levels. That's the only thing. And also, when you purchase tickets on other levels, it's not considered an upgrade. You're just purchasing additional positions on those levels, okay? Now, guys, we also have a lot of exciting things, a lot of new things that they're adding to our Income Rocket back office. We now have a discount travel club in our back office. We have an area where you can promote your other businesses back here. We also now have the Income Rocket, the Rocket Traffic. It's $25 a month, and you will be added to a Rotator link to give your Income Rocket business more exposure, where you can potentially get more signups using the Income Rocket Traffic. Guys, you can find out more about that once you actually join us and you join us on our webinars, okay? So guys, that's it for this video. I really try to keep it short and sweet. Make sure you sign up for my email list to find out what other passive income opportunities that I am in, and I look forward to working with you guys. So just click the link below to join me in Income Rocket, and let's get this passive income. It's all about working smarter and not harder, and I'm looking to make you guys a success. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all on the next video. Mwah!